Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I am on my way to meet up with some friends for a big meal at a Chinese food restaurant. I got a lot of stuff to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. All right, so I'm on my way to the restaurant Ping. I am meeting the cake dealer there and a couple of our friends. So the first couple is Felicia and Steven. Well, Steven owns Aquabest, a really great seafood purveyor here in the city. And together they own Essex Pearl, one of my favorite seafood restaurants in the city. Also meeting our friend David Ma. He's a filmmaker. He has done some really cool food-oriented films. I can show you clips of them. One of my favorites is he'll make a food film, but he'll direct it as if he's impersonating, in his directing skills, a famous director. So, for example, he'll do, what if Wes Anderson made s'mores? The other couple, this guy Alex and his girlfriend. Alex is a stunt double and martial artist in the movie business. The dude is crazy talented. I could show you some of his work too. So Steven, his Aquabest page and his Seafood Sorcerer personal page, they have some really great information about seafood in general.
My right hand is a crusher claw, and my left is a pincher claw. It's the same as lobsters. One's more for crushing, one's more for pinching, like cutting.
And what's cool about all three of these guys is they've all sort of worked together. They're all friends. David and Steven did a film together to help promote a certain phone, like a cell phone, showing that you can make great video content on the phone, but at the same time helping advertise for Aquabest, which is really cool. I think just last week, Alex and Dave, they just did together like a commercial for an electric vehicle, which is kind of cool. They powered their whole film set off of the car.
Action. Cut. I'm David. I'm a filmmaker, and today we're going to see if we can power a shoot for the all-electric Genesis GV60 with the GV60 itself.
So really fun group, and you know, I'm hungry. I've been to this place before. I think I even did a ride and review on it in my channel. Great classic spot in the heart of Chinatown on Mott Street, just above Worth Street. So I am going to cut across Bowery right now and maybe ride for like half a block in the opposite direction just because it's easier, and pull on up. Here we go. Looks like I got the walk sign here. And this place is just up here on the right. Let me gun it before the cars come. Here we go. Ping. All right, find a spot to lock this up and I'll see you on the inside. I'll follow you in.
9 after 9. Twinning. We're like method acting.
The stunt double.
I am one of a kind.
We're just like You gotta go like this. Wow. Yeah, you gotta hand model it. Tia or a bow. We are so lucky to live in this world.
That looks like a short rib.
Yeah, I should wait. I'll eat this first.
So Henry used to be very like
Is that noodles? I'll take some of that.
EOV.
Thank you.
There's a sticky rice too, guys.
great.
Yeah, but our friend got us radio. Why are you laughing?
Googly eyes.
What is in them? What are they? Tell us about them.
Matcha. It's matcha cake ball.
Matcha cake ball. All right, so Ping, this, you got to see in that video David and Alex were wearing the same exact shirt. So funny. I was cracking up at that. Oh man, the food was so good. You got to go to this place. Just one of the all-time greats down here in Chinatown. They do really good dim sum too if you go on the weekend, like early in the day. That's always a good time. So that's it. I'm glad I got to show you guys some of the interesting people that I've met along the way on Instagram. Very interesting, very talented people. So make sure you check out their pages. Like I said, we did it. Ping's Instagram video content killers. Around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.